Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Naturalhair Jessie. Welcome. So in today's video, I want to lose my hair. All right, my hair is over a month now, and I want to take down my braids. Okay, I have been taking this particular medicine for a month now to see if it's gonna actually grow my hair. I'm going to be putting the picture of the hair supplement. I'm putting it somewhere here. Okay, so it's perfectil, and this perfectil I've been taking. I have been taking it before anyway, but this particular one is different in the sense that this one is for only hair. Perfectil is all about hair, nails, skin, yeah, nails, hair, and skin. But this particular I'm taking is just strictly for hair. Yes, it has other properties for nails and skin, but it has more properties for hair. So I've taken it for 1 month now, and I did this my braid 1 month. Okay, when I made the braid, I started taking these perfectil supplements. All right, and I'm seeing growth. Like, guys, when you plait your hair, okay, it goes down to the root, but you can see from here to here. Okay, let me come closer. So if you can see from, when you braid your hair, it goes down to the root. All right, so if you can see from here to this place, there's growth. Like, there's amount of growth on my hair. And let's lose the hair and see, because before I made my hair, I did a length check, okay, on my hair, and I think I'll be taking the picture as well of the length check I did on my hair. So when I lose my braid, we'll come back and do another length check. Let's see if these drugs actually grew my hair or not. Yeah, so if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, please do want to subscribe to my channel, turn on your your notification, so that you'll find whenever I put a new video, and also like and comment and share. My channel is all about natural ingredients to help you to promote your hair growth. And if this sounds interesting, you can go down in all of my videos and see anyone that interests you can watch, because I did a throwback story how I lost my hair and I regrow it. I'm also going to be setting it in this video, so you can also check it out how I lost my edges and I'm growing them back. So if you are just like me that wants to grow your hair back, I'll be the guinea pig that will help you to be testing out products to help you to regrow your hair. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, so please keep on watching. I'm just going to be cutting my hair because I know my hair is long initially, so I will not cut it too short, because I don't want to go by mistake cut my hair. So loves, I'm just cutting my hair, and that is the attachment. I'm not cutting it so short, so I don't want to cut my hair. So in today's video, I'll be losing my hair, washing it. I'll show you guys the treatment I'll use to detangle my hair, okay, and my deep in condition, my leave-in condition, my shampoo, all the routine I do anytime I take down my braid. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So loves, let me keep on losing my hair, and I'll see you next. So loves, this is the treatment I'll be using. I'm using green tea, okay, as my treatment for detangling my hair. I saw it on this YouTuber's channel, and this is my second time using it, and I can say that this actually works. Like, guys, this is going to help you to limit the shed of your hair shed. It's good for detangling your hair and also helps to limit hair fall. Okay, green tea is an amazing for our hair. It's amazing for hair growth. So this is my hair after I've loosed it down. Okay, after I brought down the braid, I'm just going to be spraying this all over my hair and be detangling my hair to help me to limit my hair shedding. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So after this, I will
separate my hair and put my hair in a cap, you know, just to allow it to do its magic on my hair. And guys, the review of this of the drugs I took, you'll see it at the ending of the video. Please do check to watch the ending of the video. And again, let me just chip this here. This actually helped my hair to be fuller, like the roots of my hair, like the medicine I took made the roots of my hair to be full. So please keep on watching.
So guys, this is after 30 minutes of allowing this to soak on my hair. This made my hair really soft. So I'm just going to rinse it out, and I'll use my DIY shampoo, which I will drop in soon, to wash my hair.
So loves, this is the treatment I'll be using for my hair. Okay, I'll be dropping a video about that treatment. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair. My hair is already damped after my washing, after I use my shampoo to wash my hair. So I'm going to be using this treatment as well to, you know, treat my hair. I'll be leaving the video will be dropping after this one. Please do well to check the video out to see the ingredients I use for this treatment. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair. These are the things I do most of the time. Anytime I take down my braid, I try to take care of it for the next process of, you know, making another new hair. So after applying this all over my hair, I'm going to be using this plastic bag to cover my hair, and I'll allow this to sit for like 30 to 40 minutes. Then I'll rinse this out. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after I've rinsed out the treatment. My hair is coiling. Like, guys, can you see coils? So I'm just going to add in my condition. Okay, this is a condition, my Cantu condition. I'm going to be using my Cantu condition to condition my hair. The one I just used was a deep condition. This one is just an ordinary condition, just to condition my hair. Then I'll comb my hair and I will allow my hair to dry, and I will set, like, restyle my hair. Okay, I will hope you watched this extent. Okay guys, thank you all so much for the subscription, thank you all so much for the likes, thank you all so much for the engagement. I really do appreciate. God bless you guys. So I'm just using my detangler brush to detangle my hair. Then after I detangle my hair, I will braid it and set it aside. So as I'm done detangling my hair, and I'm just going to wear my cap and allow this to sit. So these are the hairs I lost after my 1 month hair takedown. Okay, these are the hairs I lost. These are the treatment I always do on my hair anytime I braid my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helped you in any way it can. So I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. So loves, this is the amount of hair I lost. Yeah, so I will be leaving the clip of my growth at the ending of this video.